Jakom board mar sukari e pachoka Nicolas Gumbo osingone jotije 5,000 matiyo e kembe sukari ni ok gibi wito tijegi. Gumbo wacho ni 80% mar jotijego dhi yudo tije kembe ji giwegi ma okawo ting' mar tawo kembe sirikal ka moko to gin jotije ma ikore ne dhi e rutaya. Oloso kaluwore gi ng'ur mar jotijego mantie kod luoro ni ginyalo wito tijegi.
So what is happening is that if you go to Moroni, if you go to Chemelin, if you go to Nzoia, if you go to Sony, over 70% of staff there is over 50 years and over. In fact, some have gone past their retirement, but they cannot be retired because these factories don't have any money to pay them. We are finding cases where people are claiming leave days in excess of 20 times the amount that is allowed by law. Those will have to be removed. I have discussed with all the 4 millers, and the agreement is at a minimum up to 80% of them will have to be retained. No government will employ anybody for the purpose of making them redundant. It's not possible. Some of these issues that we have come across is also because of poor management. You go to Sony, for example, even when the ministry clearly gave instructions that no more employment should be undertaken, Sony still went ahead and employed people. So this is wrong practice, and it has to be corrected, because no one opens a business for the purpose of only paying salary.